Hello, James. It is raining very hard tonight.
Hello, Lily. It started about an hour ago.
Hello, James. Can you hear me clearly? Where are you now? James? Where are you now?
I am still on the road. Lily, I am still on the road.
Are you riding your bicycle in this rain? James?
Yes, but I am wearing my raincoat. Lily, I am wearing my raincoat.
Oh no. Please ride very carefully and safely. James?
Don't worry. I am cycling carefully and safely. Lily,
The road must be very slippery. James? The road must be very slippery.
yes, so I am riding slowly. Lily, I am riding slowly.
How far are you from home, James? How far are you from home?
About 2 kilometers. Lily, about 2 kilometers.
That is not far. Come home soon. James?
I will. I am passing the big market now. Lily,
Is your raincoat keeping you dry? James? Is your raincoat keeping you dry?
mostly. But my shoes are wet. Lily, my shoes are wet.
Is anyone else on the road? James? Is anyone else on the road?
Not many people. The road is almost empty. Lily,
Everyone is staying inside because of the rain. James?
Yes, it is a very rainy night. Lily, it is a very rainy night.
Be careful. The wind sounds strong. James?
It is. The wind is blowing against me. Lily,
Hold your bicycle tightly. James? Hold your bicycle tightly.
I will. I am crossing the bridge now. Lily,
Is the rain getting heavier? James? Is the rain getting heavier?
yes, it is raining even harder now. Lily, it is raining even harder now.
Maybe you should stop for a while. James?
Good idea. I will look for a dry place. Lily,
Park your bicycle under a roof. James? Park your bicycle under a roof.
Okay, I found a restaurant. Lily, I found a restaurant.
Great. Are you gonna eat something, James?
Yes. Lily, I am looking at the menu now.
What will you order? James? What will you order?
I will have coffee first, Lily. I will have coffee first.
Good. Take your time. James? Take your time.
I have almost finished eating. Lily,
Nice. Check your raincoat before you go, James.
Oh. Thanks, Lily. Everything is fine.
Are you back on your bicycle?
Yes, I am riding again. Lily, I am riding again.
Ride slowly and stay safe. James, ride slowly and stay safe. Does the air smell fresh after the rain? James,
Yes, it smells very fresh. Lily, it smells very fresh.
is the sky getting clear? James, is the sky getting clear?
Yes. I can even see a few stars. Lily,
That's wonderful. James, that's wonderful.
don't worry. I am almost home. Lily,
Really? James, how many minutes?
about 5 to 10 minutes, Lily. About 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay. I will get a towel ready for you. James, I will open the gate. James, I will open the gate.
Thank you so much. Lily, thank you so much.
Okay. I will wait at the door.
I can see your house now. Lily, I can see your house now.
Great. I am waiting for you. James, I am waiting for you.
I am parking my bicycle outside. Lily,
Hurry inside. It is cold. James. James, it must have been hard to come see me in the rain.
Nothing could stop me from seeing you, Lily.
That's so sweet of you, James. That's so sweet of you.
You are always worth the effort, Lily.
I'm so happy you're here with me, James.
I am happiest when I'm with you, Lily.
I love spending time with you, James. I love spending time with you.
I love every moment I spend with you, Lily.
Thank you for coming. James, thank you for coming.
Always, Lily. Always.